Lenovo just raised the stakes in handheld gaming, but gamers, brace yourselves. The Legion Go 2 isn't just powerful, it comes with a price tag that might make your wallet sweat. Starting at $1,099, this OLED-equipped beast is here. But is it worth it? Let's dive in. Unveiled at IFA 2025 in Berlin, the Legion Go 2, or Legion Go Gen 2, is Lenovo's answer to gamers demanding a portable powerhouse. With an 8.8-inch OLED screen, Zen 4-based Ryzen Z2 processors, and up to 32 GB of RAM, it promises laptop-level gaming in your hands. Let's break down the hardware. The base model packs a Ryzen Z2 APU, 16 GB RAM, and 1 TB SSD. That's 8 Zen 4 cores and 12 RDNA 3 GPU cores, roughly matching a Ryzen 7 8840U with integrated graphics. Step up to the Z2 Extreme variant, and you get 32 GB of RAM with a 1 TB SSD, and that brings the price to a jaw-dropping $1,349.99. The display? A gorgeous 2.8K OLED with 144 Hz variable refresh rate, smooth visuals for gaming or streaming. And it's portable. Hall effect True Strike joysticks, detachable controllers, and a 74-watt-hour battery, 50% larger than its predecessor. This is no casual handheld, it's a mobile gaming rig. But here's the catch. For comparison, the original Legion Go SES started at only $649. MSI's Claw A8 with similar specs in Europe costs under €1,000. And the Steam Deck OLED, a popular alternative, begins at $649. Lenovo is targeting a premium niche here, but at over twice the price of its predecessor, gamers are left questioning, is raw performance enough to justify this price tag? The Legion Go 2 isn't just competing with handhelds, it's competing with mid-tier gaming laptops. A $1,300 budget could get you a laptop with a dedicated RTX 4060 Cross GPU, arguably offering more flexibility and longer-term value. Lenovo is banking on portability and OLED visual fidelity to tip the scales in its favor. So the Legion Go 2 is here, a portable gaming powerhouse with specs that impress and a price that divides. For enthusiasts craving mobility and premium visuals, it could be worth every dollar. But for many gamers, the question remains, does this price tag really make sense? Pre-orders are live in the US, but sales begin later this year. Are you ready to go portable? Or is this price a deal breaker? If you want to grab one for yourself, just tap the product link right here. It's the easiest way to check the latest price, and it helps support the channel too.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.